Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can pay using a gift card on Airbnb from a computer. Once you're logged into Airbnb from a computer, just go over to the top right section. You will see your profile image. Click on that, and then you will see the third option is the gift cards option. Click on that, and that takes you to the gift card screen. Now, if you want to buy a new gift card, you can click on buy now. But in our case, if you have an existing gift card, click on redeem option here, and that will take you to the redemption screen where you can enter all the details of your gift card and click redeem gift card. The balance on your gift card will be applied on your account, and when you book a stay, the amount from your gift card will automatically be offset against the payment, and if there is any balance left, you can pay using your other payment method which you choose. And as a shortcut, if you want to come straight to this screen, you can just type in airbnb.com/gift and it will land you on this screen straight away. I hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.